Well, Colombia is proposing a new strategy to deal with its growing hippopotamus population. Yeah, in Colombia. Four of the animals were actually imported from Africa in the 1980s by deceased drug lord Pablo Escobar for his private zoo. They have been multiplying ever since. Hippos are not native to the region, and some scientists warn that they pose a problem for biodiversity and the people living in the area. Meantime, Colombia declared them a toxic invasive species last year, and the government is currently negotiating to figure out where to send them, maybe to India or possibly Mexico. So here to discuss is Audrey Huse. She's an independent journalist that's been in Colombia for 8 years. So I just need to sort of remind people, Pablo Escobar, he's, a big-time drug lord. He dies in 93, and he has this really kind of large zoo on his property with a lot of exotic animals. The hippos escape. It's one male and 3 females. Now we're talking about 140 hippos. What are some of the biological and environmental concerns as this hippo population continues to expand?
Yeah, so as you mentioned, they started out as just 4, and now they do estimate that there are around 130, 140. Of course, it's difficult to know.
Yeah.
But because they have no natural predators here, as they would in Africa, the population is booming, and it is affecting the local ecosystem. Because they are such large animals, they consume considerable amounts of grassland and produce, significant waste, which then poisons the rivers and kills fish. It threatens endemic species like manatees and otters and turtles, and also scares the fish away, which impacts these local communities where fishing is their main staple.
Mm-hmm. And, people should know, you see hippos and they're so big and they're so slow moving. Actually, they can move really fast and they can actually be really aggressive. And people have been injured.
Exactly.
So this is not, Colombia has been trying to tackle this problem for a while now, and they've tried all sorts of different methods to reduce the herd. Are hippos, do they move in herds? I don't even know if that's the right term for it.
Yeah.
So what have they been trying to do that hasn't been working?
Yeah, so this is an ongoing saga now for almost 30 years. They did first try culling. The government basically invited people to hunt the hippos, which was very socially unpopular. The first hippo that was killed, there was a photo of him that was widely circulated, Pepe, that caused a lot of public outcry. So after trying culling, they moved on to sterilization, which is really complicated, as you can imagine, and very expensive. So yeah, the latest strategy is hopefully to be able to export them, 70 of them approximately, to India and to Mexico, to reserves and zoos.
So here's the thing about exporting them, though. I would think that's even tougher than sterilizing them, because you got to catch them, you got to, I don't know, put them to sleep, you got to get them on a plane, or I don't even know how you move a hippo. I mean, how likely is this to be a successful option?
Yeah, there is no simple solution. It's a very complicated problem. And a lot of it is because they're such difficult animals to access, to lure in, to transport. They weigh up to 3 tons. Transporting them in helicopter is no simple feat.
Oh my goodness.
And so
we're showing a video of like a hippopotamus just walking down the street.
Running down the street. Yes, they've become local pets basically. But as you mentioned, they are incredibly aggressive and dangerous. So you don't want to get close to one.
Do we know if any of these countries that we brought up, India's a far away, but India or Mexico, if they're actually willing to take these animals, if they're interested?
Yes, they have been in negotiations about this over the past year. So they have agreed to take them. There are other countries also that have expressed willingness to receive hippos, such as Botswana, Ecuador, the Philippines. So this is the government's latest effort to try and control this population, which the local population is definitely anxious for them to do.
I bet, Audrey, it's such a sort of wacky story, but it's a serious story. People have been, injured by these animals.
Right.
Audrey Huse, thank you very much.
Thank you.